the best way to remove this hose is, if you want to charge this hose of this EMS foot massager, okay, so how you charge it? Of course, you have to remove this hose, then charge on this charger. Okay, so maybe you are lucky, get a good one. You just remove it like this way. Is it very easy? So if let's say like this one, very hard to remove. If I put like this, okay, it may damage this pad. You see, look, there's a hole here, and the pin is here now. Okay, look, can you see that? So the best way to remove this hose is, okay, I show you how. Now I take another EMS pad like this, very hard to remove. You don't pull up hardly. Okay, you use this flat screwdriver. You see, now I can remove it easily. So if you want to charge this EMS hose without remove on this pad, I tell you one method. So either you charge in this way, or you charge in this way. Make it upside down. Okay. You charge in this way. I will get it. Okay, see you. Bye bye.